All right, y'all. So I know I said I wouldn't be recording a video today. Yeah, that. However, things had changed. Some stuff had happened, and everything got cleared up. So right now we're gonna kind of analyze the market a little bit, see what we got going on. Still a big sell off. There's been some stuff going on. Politically, the government's still shut down. The whole thing with Venezuela and just a bunch of other stuff. Um, Yesterday, the S&P lost like $600 billion worth of liquidity. Just insane. Um, so yeah, uh, let's see what we got here. Let's see what we got here, y'all. Kind of chilling right here at this level. Um, Kind of want to find a break of, of this level right here. Um, get a break of this level, target these lows. Honestly, because there's still lows around here, I'm thinking that we might go lower. So we might see a pullback up to here. Um, what I'm thinking is we get a pullback around up to here, and I'm definitely bearish on the day. So we gonna get our little pullback or whatever. If we even get the pullback all the way up to there, we gonna get our pullback. Then we gonna see some liquidity sweep, nice little liquidity sweep, drop down to this 5 minute or maybe even the 1 minute chart, and then and yeah, another thing too that I was thinking about low key is the 815 orb strategy, right? What if I incorporated that with what I already know? Meaning, so let's see. Let me go to 815. Let me go to 815. Let me go to 815. Okay. Now, when I do get a break and retest of this level in accordance with my bias, with my daily bias, I think that it's kind of safe to go in and enter. So my daily bias right now, I'm very bearish. Um, Thinking that we might get somewhat of a pullback or retracement before, uh, and we'll see how that goes. I'm gonna be monitoring. I'm gonna be waiting. Um, I gotta do take my notes and stuff because tomorrow I have the combine with TJR. Um, so yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on that. So I'll update you guys when something happens. All right, so it's about 9:40. Um, very bearish. Literally, there was nothing like to be discussed here. The market had no qualms about going in the direction. It's very bearish today. Excuse me. However, on the way, we've left a few fair value gaps. I will be waiting to see it. I will be waiting to see if we go and move into those fair value gaps to target to like on a pullback to get in, because I definitely didn't get in at 9:40, you know, I mean 9:30. So I'm not rushing it. Don't mind. It is what it is. But I really don't think this is gonna slow down anytime soon. Next area of liquidity. Wow, I actually messed that up. Oh, it's because 1 minute. I'm tweaking. I was wondering why. I was like, bro, like what? The next area is like down here. Now, Like, so about 5 more minutes till this candle close right here. So I'm gonna just chill, just wait. As I did say on the 1 minute or the 5 minute, we've left a couple of fair value gaps. So I'm just waiting for these to get filled, and then a reaction off of them before my entry. Going in, 5 cons. Should I do? I shouldn't over leverage. It's the last day of the free trial though, so I mean. I'm gonna play some music. Tell her I won't be back. She hit my phone mad. I don't think this would be copyrighted, right? Is he copyrighted? You don't put that in the background. Okay. So, tapped into the first fair value gap. I'm actually going to hedge because I don't want to miss it.
Order filled.
And look at the fib. If you like, oh yeah. Tap back into it. You won't. Tap back into it. You won't. You won't. Tap back into it. You won't. Yo, chat, tell him. Tap back into it. You won't. Nice.
Order filled.
Okay. And so that is my entry. So I will be targeting some lows. So let's see what lows we want to target here today. It's a pretty I will be walking home with a win today though. So oh, I gotta find my lows. Actually, here I'll sell 3. I'll sell 3 here. I got too many boxes and stuff. Let's see. Remove. I guess I do need to put a stop loss, huh? Because look, hold on. Right, let's see. Fib from here to here. And it's looking to hit this. Oh.
Order filled.
I had to. I just know I feel very strong about this, you know? And not in a sense of how I used to feel last time of, oh, you feel strong about it. No, I feel very strong about it. And this is after me, like, uh like, learning a little bit more, and this is after me, like, learning a little bit more, and being knowledgeable, and just realizing that, hey, I didn't know nothing, now I know something. I mean, I guess it's still bad, right? Because I didn't know nothing like 3 days ago, and I was taking trades. Now I said I felt like I knew something, but I didn't, and now I felt like I knew something again, and now I'm over leveraging again. So, but I do feel like I know something here, something that you guys don't. I know something that you don't. That's why I trust myself. Y'all are probably looking at this like, oh my gosh, this is finna be just like 6th, 7th loss in a row. He just needs to chill. He just needs to quit. I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna keep going. So, I'm telling you, I'm gonna win today. Today, y'all are gonna see me hit a win. Probably gonna be a banger too, low key. Let's see. What previous areas of liquidity can we target that's a little bit closer, because of the fact that I am like leveraged higher. I don't need that much of a hit to actually, nah, not too worried about it. And then I will put my stop losses above here. Is it stop? Is it buy 10 stops? Yeah, gotta be right. Buy 10 stop losses. That's what that means. And I keep taking this, removing it, and taking it off. It's just gonna have so many lines. I have so many lines. Remove. What other lines do I have here? The entry line. I do need the entry line though. I low-key just need the 72% or 79. 0. Don't need the 23. Don't need the 38. 50. 79. I'm gonna make that green. 50. I'm gonna make that yellow. No, 100. I'm gonna make that green. 100. I'm gonna make that green. 79, I'm gonna make that yellow. This one, I'm gonna make that red. Save as default. Save as default. And then what's these? Save. Okay. I keep measuring it high to low. Chat, should I rip off my shirt when I win? That's doing too much. That's some like emotional trader stuff. SoFi down. Oh my god. Oh my god. What's going on, dog? Look at this. You see that? I don't know if you see that. Tesla down 5%. Oh, hold on, my bad. What's this? My fault. Tesla down 5% to 423. Palantir, what's it called? Palantir leveraged, down 5.3% to 85. SoFi down 5% to 25. Robinhood down 5% to 120. It was at 140 like yesterday. RXRX down 5% to 4. Okay, I don't care about RXRX. Everything's coming down. Bro, I got this massager thing on my chair, bro. This shit tough. You're not gonna do me like this again, right? You're gonna do me like this again. Chat is gonna do me like this again. That's very unfortunate. What's going on that 1 minute chart? Let's take a little peek. Created a bullish fair value gap here. It would suck for that to close with a bullish fair value gap, guys. Thank you. Fill those orders. Yeah. What if my whole video gets muted because I'm playing copyrighted music? Oh, yo, I keep forgetting. I always forget. Okay. I checked yesterday, but still I was like, yo, am I tweaking? Excuse me, bless me, thank you. GG's. Which one was the 930? Is it this? Bro, you know what I've been on lately, bro? Word chums, bro. I remember playing this in middle school, bro. But or not middle school, elementary school. All right, bro. She's cooking me, dog. Look at this. It's gonna hit my stop loss. Dang, I'm losing in word chums and I'm losing in trading. Yep. Like, why am I sizing up when why am I sizing up when I'm losing, you know?
Stop filled.
I mean, it's just now 10 o'clock, and I hopped into a trade. Now, do I think my bias was wrong? No. Do I think the market is finna reverse here and go straight down? Yes. So, I'm gonna place one more trade. I mean, this is the account's last, like, day anyway, so why not? And I'm so confident, I'll place 30.
Order filled.
Yeah, how about that? See, because what it was, right, was it was a stop hunt, okay? It was just targeting my stop loss. So now I gotta place I gotta get my get back, you feel me? I'm revenge trading. I wonder if this is how like more profit like actually profitable traders trade like when they're scaled up. But I guess they do it now with like ES or NQ, but with like with like or the micros. They probably do that with like or yeah, they'd probably do it with like minis. They probably don't do it with micros. I really do want to get back into investing. Like the market is at a prime time right now. Everything's just down. It ends up being like a fucking $5,000, $6,000 trade. Alright, I'll let y'all know what I gotta pop my foot. Look, you wanna I'll put my stops here. As soon as I put my stops to, they gonna start hunting that. Bro, my stomach tweaking. Never heard that one. So I'm actually just gonna go ahead and close here because at the end of the day, this trade was just for
Order filled.
like nothing, and honestly, I don't know. So, trade performance. Let's see. $1,852 on the day. However, that was because I did not stick to my rules. I over leveraged and I did everything that I was not supposed to do. I felt like I knew the bias of the day, and I did know the bias of the day. I was very bearish. If I would have, it's just that my entry could have been better. I need to work on my executions. That means I need to go FX replay. I need to go up there and work on my executions and just practice. However, to practice my executions for FX replay to the right way that I need to be using, I need to pay for the paid version. But it's like $35 a month. So until I'm making like decent money and all of my bills are like caught up and not behind and stuff, I won't be able to do that. I'm gonna have to figure out another way. Maybe TradingView. Excuse me. But the thing about TradingView that sucks is it's delayed. Like it's delayed market data. So like, it just sucks. Or I might, I don't know, open up another account. Okay. But alright, I appreciate y'all for staying this long. If you are, the lesson that I learned is I need to the whole move, right? When measuring for a pullback or looking for a retracement, right? I need to be measuring the entire move. This right here was the entire move, and it actually went to like the 60% mark, higher than the 50%. This is probably like, let me see. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, this is about like the 60% mark. So, literally it went to like 50 and then pulled back some more, but like it just needed to give it space to breathe. My stop loss was a little crazy for where it was, especially with how with where my take profits were. However, this didn't hit the take profits anyway before it's starting to kind of chop. But yeah, entries, I could work on that. My daily bias, that was pretty decent. I said I was bearish on the day. What happened? Immediately after market, we get a sell-off. What else? Overall, patience. I think I did pretty good with patience today. It's just that I was just bored, over leveraged on the last one. This is literally the last day of this account, so I mean, why not? I low-key want to buy a prop firm account, bro. It's because it's like the prop firm account, like I could practice on that account, bro. It's like I don't gotta worry about the delayed data. I don't gotta worry about all these other places like needing like free trials for demo trading and stuff. Like I just want to demo trade for free, bro, and just demo trade, bro. But you either gotta pay for it, like you either it's a free trial, you pay for it, or you or it's like delayed market data, or it's replay. It's not even like actively trading while the market is live. So I have to figure something out. I might not trade for a couple of days while I'm figuring it out. I might figure it out tomorrow, you know? I never know. Speaking of, I gotta get my license replaced. I still don't have a replacement license, bro. It's insane. So I appreciate y'all for sticking with me, for staying with me, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm so for real.